I hate my hair. I hate my hair cut. So today's Thursday, yesterday's Wednesday, and I got my hair cut yesterday and I hate it. So first, I know what you're thinking. Let me explain, and I want to make this very clear from the start. It has nothing to do with my hairstylist. It has to do with what I requested. She did exactly what I requested with precision. I thought that it would be a great idea to have bangs like coming across the front, you know? I thought that would be nice to change up my look. I gave her some pictures as a point of reference from where my hair looked styled as though I had bangs. Now in these pictures I did not in fact have bangs, but like, you know, I may have worn like a headband to get the illusion of bangs. So I walked in there yesterday thinking that I wanted bangs and that would be a great idea. And that's what I got. And I hate it. So if you see me ever post on Instagram about, oh, I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, thinking about getting bangs, tell me no. Tell me no. Tell me immediately no. No, 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 I'm gonna regret it. Yeah, let me show you guys the front. And maybe I'll like it more when I like wash it, you know, myself here at home, because when I get there, we shape it up a little bit, wash it, and then do the final shaping. But you know how when you get your hair cut, if you get curly cuts or kinky cuts, like the ends will still be kind of, I guess, blunt because, you know, they haven't settled, but I just, this ain't it. Okay, so let me show you. Let me show you very quickly. She did a great job cutting it in what I asked for, but I just don't think this is the look for me. And I'm glad that she cut it in a way to where I can still do a side part. I know it don't look like it, but that's why we're just crossing our fingers. But yeah, I can still do a side part like this, but also the bangs kind of were supposed to come around here, and it's just a no. So I say that to say, because it makes me think. And you know what, to be honest, I guess this is what I deserve. I was being a little hard-headed, because I remember one time before, I don't know if she remembers this, but when I sat in the chair, I brought up the idea of bangs before, and she very gently and in a roundabout way kind of told me, no, you know, that's gonna be a different haircut shape, you know, you might not want to do that. And you know, I should have just listened to her. So that's what I've learned over the years, you know, in this natural hair space. You know, I think that it's best at this point that we just listen to the professionals. Like, I know in the beginning of our natural hair journeys, we're all like not very trusting of, you know, we're not very trusting of other people with our hair because a lot of us had horrible experiences. So even when we look at like the whole 30-day hair detox thing, you know, a lot of us were like, it's not gonna work. I know my hair best, because you know we've been done wrong, you know, in the past by people who have claimed to know what they were doing with hair and our hair specifically. But you know, they might be knowing what they're talking about. Like, especially, okay, like, I'm not being shady. This is no shade, but like, for instance, like I saw recently a content creator did a video of a wash and go using a specific product. I'm gonna try to be as vague as possible, but I mean, this could be, we've seen this scenario. They do a wash and go using a specific product. We all know that said product is supposed to be used a certain way. You don't need a leave-in for this product. This product is formulated to where you don't need a leave-in, but of course we are, you know, y'all know how we are. We like to stick to our methods of application. We like to stick to our rules of doing things rather than reading the directions and then looking at the, you know, using the product the way that it's supposed to be used. And then when we don't like the results, we say it's the product, but it's really the user. Like, I even look back, I did a video on a product. It was actually the Dew Mousse Death, and I used it to refresh like an old Braid Out or something, but that's not how you're supposed to use that product. You know, it's not supposed to be used with like a a leave-in or to refresh things, you know. So had I not liked the results and made a video talking about, oh, this doesn't work, it doesn't work because you didn't use it the right way. It's not the product, it's you. But yeah, I'm just ranting at this point. Just a little venting as I'm doing this braid out. So let me explain to you guys what I'm doing here now. And if you've made it so far, thank you for sticking with me here. I know I'm kind of rambling, but so to save this hair situation I have going on, I'm actually not even going to rinse out the gels that she used, because you know what, I live in Georgia. It's very humid in Georgia, so a lot of times my braid outs and stuff won't really last in the Georgia humidity. But the gels that I use for my wash and go, y'all have seen how long these gels can last. So I thought, why not reactivate the product with water, which I did. You'll notice I'm not applying any product. Reactivate the product with water, and I'm just gonna rebraid this wash and go, see if I get a little bit better hold, you know. I might like it, and you know, while my bangs are growing back out, maybe this will be a season of braid outs, you know. This might be a season of braid outs, but my hope is that with reactivating the gel and doing a gel braid out, you know, I might like my results. They might last a little bit longer. They might withstand the Georgia humidity a little bit better. So I just wanted to get that off my chest while I'm braiding everything up. But I'll show you guys at the end what my braids look like, and then we'll come back and take it down, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so this is how we're looking. I actually kind of like the little braids right here. So this is how long it is stretched. So we shall see when we take this down tomorrow or Saturday. But that's it. I don't hate it, but I don't quite like it. So let's talk about this. So first of all, look at how shiny it is. I don't know if this does it justice. It's very, very shiny. But it's giving Shirley Temple. It's giving, like, I don't like it. It's giving old lady curls. Like, you know, I don't know. What I do like about this though is, it's, like I said, it's super shiny. Look at the ends. I don't know if you can see the ends, but look at the ends. They're not frizzy. There's no frizz at all. But Hey guys, okay, so we are at the end of the video. Thanks for making it this far. I did want to come and show you guys that all is not lost. I actually redid my wash and go today, and this is way better with the side part. Look, we can work with this. So I'm so glad that I asked for it to be cut this way. If I didn't make it clear enough, Judy's still my girl. We've got all of the appointments scheduled for the rest of this year on out. So the moral of this story is think twice before asking for bangs. And as for always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.